Okay, I'm just going to give a quick video of some of the tech that I've been working on over the last couple of weeks, heading to go back to the online environment. So on the left-hand side here, I've got my Blackboard Collaborate Ultra open. It's how we sometimes run the classes. I guess some people might be using Microsoft Teams or Zoom. Anyhow, you've got Blackboard Collaborate here. You can have a video session. So I've set up a video session. You can see I'm connected here. I have my video on, and I have student Fred set up on another computer. So I can show you what their screen looks like. Okay, I just logged in myself to a link, called myself Student Fred. That messes up a little bit on the namings and the cameras and the microphones, etc. But just take it from me. This is what I would normally see. And then on the right-hand side here, this is called Obs Studio. This is a free open broadcasting system software that I downloaded and starting to work my way through. Okay. So now I'm capturing the screen of the student. You can see what they're going to see is my normal, and I apologize if there's a delay between the audio and the video. I've got a lot of systems open here right now. I'm on the Wi-Fi. If I was giving a class, I'd have the Ethernet plugged in. But you can see here the moderator is Edward Stevenson. That's me. So but I've logged in as a student. The student can chat here. I'm going to see the chat. The student has their microphone off. They have their video off. They can raise their hand, and the hand is going to be raised on my screen. But anyhow, so you can see that is me logging in as a student. This is the screen that they see. Okay, I'm back to my main screen. So you can see here on the left-hand side, I've got my screen split into two. Left-hand side, I've got my web browser open. You can see I've got a couple of tabs that I'm going to show you here in a minute. And the right-hand side, I've got this OBS software. Okay, on my laptop screen, I've got the student Fred, who's logged in. I've logged in as a student. Okay, so I can show you a little bit of a demo. So okay, so this is my Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. This is how I'm going to be talking to the student. And then up here, I'm going to show you, I've downloaded some software that you can get school gets a free license to this, or a demo license to it, and it's called Singular.live. And what this software does is, if you're doing any kind of live streaming or broadcasting, you can do screen overlays. Okay, and so it's I'll just show you here. This is the dashboard that you get to work with when you download it, and then you can create compositions. I'll just expand that screen for a minute. You can see I was working on a composition here, screen overlay, where I've got a course code, I've got some testing, I've got my logo, George Brown College, Professor Ted Stevenson. And then finally, once you've done your compositions, you can create these, you put it into a studio mode, and then you can create these live and active buttons. I click on this, and you're going to see that it slides in Professor Ted Stevenson on the bottom of the screen. Okay. So very quickly, then I'm back to the student screen. So this is, they're seeing me. I'm Edward Stevenson, the moderator, and this is, student Fred's area. So then again, when I use that Singular software, when I go into my studio, I can introduce screen overlays. So hi, I'm Professor Ted Stevenson. I can introduce a guest, and this is very easy to update on the fly. If I have their name, student asks a question, raise their hand, I can just simply type their name into a template, click on, and it'll show up into the screen. Okay. You've also got these things that are called bugs. Upper left-hand bug. Hey, welcome to FIN 2035. Upper right-hand bug. You can change these messages saying hello. I can pop in all kinds of stuff. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to wrap it up, because this is just going to be a quick overview. It's definitely not how to do any of this, because I've spent many hours researching and downloading and practicing. But anyhow, so it's kind of cool. Like, you can set stuff on timers and loops as well. So now I've got this one on a timer. You can see my hands up. That's a line from a song from Notorious B.I.G. If you don't know, now you know. Okay, B.I.G. I love that. So if you don't know what I'm doing, now you know. And that's just gonna scroll. You can set up timer scrolls on your banners. So there you can see my hands are up. If you don't know what I'm doing, then now you know. Okay, and so that's it. This is my little summary here of using Singular.live and OBS, and overlaying some stuff into my video that I can be a little bit more active with my students. And yeah, it's going to be awesome. Okay, so and And that's basically it. Okay, that's it, folks. So now I'm just going to edit this little bit of a video. So I'm showing you my Camtasia screen here. It goes into Camtasia Edit. Sorry for the poor quality. I'm running a lot of stuff on Wi-Fi from the upstairs. I didn't plug into the Ethernet. But anyhow, gives you a basic idea of what's going on. Anyhow, have a nice day. And any questions? This takes a lot of practice. It's not something that can be taught in an hour or two. But it's interesting. It's the road that I'm going down. Have a nice day. Thank you.